This is a story about an invisible force, something that's changing how we live, how we work, how we think. It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. I'm a writer and host of a podcast. And here's the story. A lot of big changes have happened in our lifetimes. The internet was one of them. Mobile phones were another. They've changed how we communicate, shop, work, learn. But alongside those changes came challenges, issues of privacy, security, misinformation. Still, we pressed on, adapting, innovating. Today, we stand at the threshold of yet another profound shift, one driven by artificial intelligence and algorithms. And the question is, are we ready for it? First, let's untangle the jargon. What exactly are we talking about, in simple terms? An algorithm is a set of rules, a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem or complete a task. Think of it like a recipe. Artificial intelligence, AI, is much broader. It's the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence: learning, problem-solving, decision-making. When algorithms power AI, they create systems that can learn, adapt, and evolve. They're not just following instructions, they're writing new ones based on experience. These might sound like futuristic concepts, but they're not. They're shaping our lives right now. For instance, consider the products you buy. Online shopping isn't just about browsing, it's about being shown what to buy. Recommendation algorithms analyze your past purchases, your browsing history, even your location. They then suggest items they believe you'll like. Sometimes it's convenient, but sometimes it's a little eerie how accurately these suggestions hit the mark. And it's not just about what you see, it's also about what you don't see. Most of us spend hours scrolling through social media feeds, liking, sharing, commenting. These platforms use complex algorithms to decide what content to show you. It's designed to keep you engaged, but it also shapes your perspective. You see more of what you agree with, reinforcing your existing views and potentially limiting exposure to different perspectives. This is what's often called an echo chamber. But it's not just your feed that's being shaped. Your entire online experience is curated by algorithms. Search engines use them to determine which websites rank higher in search results, influencing what information you find first. News aggregators use them to decide which stories get prominence, potentially affecting the way you perceive current events. Even dating apps use algorithms to match potential partners based on your preferences and past interactions. In every click, in every like, in every view, algorithms are at work, shaping your digital diet. And while they offer convenience and personalization, they also raise questions about control and influence. Are we truly making choices, or are we being subtly guided by invisible forces? But this influence goes beyond your screen. It touches upon some of the most pivotal aspects of modern life. Take the job market, for instance. Automation powered by AI and algorithms is transforming industries at a rapid pace. Repetitive tasks once performed by humans are increasingly delegated to machines. Manufacturing sectors have seen the rise of robots on assembly lines. Customer service roles are increasingly handled by AI chatbots. Data-driven insights are driving strategic decisions across numerous sectors. This trend has both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, AI-driven automation can boost productivity, reduce errors, and enable businesses to scale more efficiently. On the other hand, it naturally leads to concerns about job displacement. As machines take over routine tasks, workers need to adapt and acquire skills that complement AI. So how do we navigate this shift? One key is understanding. Recognizing the potential benefits and challenges of AI-driven automation is crucial. This includes knowing when AI can enhance your work and when it might pose a threat. Next is adaptation, acquiring skills that are difficult to automate, such as critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem-solving is vital. Finally, proactive participation is essential. Engaging with initiatives that promote responsible AI development and advocating for policies that support workers during this transition can help shape a better future. While AI and algorithms hold tremendous promise, they also come with risks. Bias in algorithms can perpetuate and amplify societal biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Privacy concerns arise as vast amounts of personal data are collected, analyzed, and used to influence our decisions. Additionally, questions of accountability and control become pressing when AI systems make mistakes or are used for malicious purposes. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-pronged approach. First, robust testing and auditing of algorithms for bias is crucial. Ensuring diversity in the teams developing AI can help mitigate bias. Second, prioritizing user privacy through data protection regulations and secure data handling practices is essential. Finally, fostering transparency in AI decision-making processes can build trust and enable better oversight. But the conversation doesn't end there. The real progress comes when we encourage open discussions, diverse opinions, and collaborative solutions. This isn't just about regulating technology. It's about shaping a future where AI benefits everyone. This brings us back to the question, what's our role in this AI-driven future? For starters, understanding is paramount. Recognize that the content you consume and the choices you see aren't by chance, but by design. Be aware of how algorithms filter your information and personalize your experiences. Secondly, adaptation is key. As AI becomes more ingrained in our lives, continuous learning is vital. Invest in developing skills that are less prone to automation, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. And thirdly, participation is essential. Engage in conversations about AI ethics, privacy, and regulation. Your voice matters in deciding how these technologies evolve and affect our society. Don't be a passive consumer. Be an active participant in shaping this future. This isn't just a technological shift, it's a societal one. We're all in it together. Look around you. From the moment you wake up to the final scroll before sleep, an invisible force is at play. It's reshaping how we live, how we learn, how we interact. And it's not magic. It's the intricate dance of artificial intelligence and algorithms. They're no longer futuristic concepts. They are the architects of our present and the designers of our future. As we navigate this brave new world, let's remember three: understanding, adaptation, and participation. Let's understand how these technologies work and the impact they have. Let's adapt by acquiring the skills necessary to thrive in this evolving landscape. Let's participate actively in shaping this future. It's easy to feel like a small fish in a big pond, but remember, collective action can drive change. Together, we can ensure that this AI-driven future is not just intelligent, but also equitable, sustainable, and empowering for all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with someone who might be interested in learning more about AI and algorithms. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you again for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI and algorithms.